Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Bristol Light Festival 2024. That means 12 new interactive light installations to go and explore. Come on, let's go for a walk. First up this year is one we saw last year, both here and at Glow, Glowing Lights of Western, if you're wondering. It's called Swing Song. They're like, they're basically swings that light up. They're very cool. And as you can see, they're already very popular. So we're staying in Queen Square. There's a little hut here and you can pick up programmes from here, or you can download them on the app. So this is what this year's programme looks like. It's in colour this year. Not that you can actually see it because there's not much light. There are 10 different light installations to find this year. So these are called the Nectary. So you stand underneath them and you can hear bees buzzing. You can hear it better in this one. Very cool. Doesn't City Hall look lush and purple and all lit up? The perfect backdrop for Evanescent. It does look like a whole lot of Christmas baubles. You know what this reminds me of? There's a blow up kind of light up installation a few years ago now in College Green, which was basically used natural light, and it was basically like this, but used natural light to flavour it. It's all in kind of all indoors. It generated some really cool pictures, and I think this one will as well. I look forward to seeing any pictures you see on Instagram, because I think there's going to be quite a few this year. Anyway, we're moving past City Hall, past an outside broadcast van, I think I just saw the camera person, and past what is a very well, nicely lit up Bristol Cathedral, and I believe we're heading down to the amphitheatre. So we're just going past the We the Curious building. It is planned to reopen this year because it closed after a fire a few years ago. So it'd be really cool to go and have a look around and see what's changed when it reopens, because it'd be good to see it in use again. It's like a time warp tunnel. This is really cool. Where will we end up at the end of this tunnel? Who knows? So this one is called Pulse, and I think you can probably see why. So our next location is St Stephen's Church, which, if you've watched a recent TV programme, you might just recognise. Side note, it's really cool they still have these lights up. And so we enter the world of Ascendance in St Stephen's Church. I really hope you enjoyed those few minutes of highlights of Ascendance. That was a world premiere for the Bristol Light Festival, and my god, I have one word to describe it. Incredible. I'm not sure how well the camera picks it up, so if you are near Bristol, get yourself down here just to see that, because that is worth the whole festival. And the rest is great anyway, but that was just incredible. Incredible. For our next one, we're going to the centre of Bristol for this one, and it's called Emergence. Alright, looks like you've entered a game show. So you can definitely say that one was definitely a 360 experience. It definitely felt like you were on a game show when all the lights came on and all that kind of blue light flooded everywhere. So this next one is called Elysium. They're certainly making use of a lot of blow-up sculptures this year. I mean, just going up closer, you can just see how tall these structures are. When you come away, like a whole ream of colour. I will say this one gives me Mario vibes, just like the green hills. Maybe that's just me. Very fun though. I think we're now heading towards Castle Park. And I think will be our last two. There's one in Castle Park, and I think there's one, or Finzel's Reach, and there's one at Temple Church, which is just off of Castle Park. Welcome to Wildlight. It's at Finzel's Reach, but if you want to be more specific, it's at the Left-Handed Giant. Using BBC Studios footage from the Natural History Unit. It's also a second projection, so don't forget to look across the water and you might see dolphins. I have no idea if this is coming out by the way because it's quite far away. I mean, that one was fun, that was fab. Animals. But another reason for you to come down and have a gander around the festival yourself, because it's fun. Going for a walk and looking at art. Good times. Now, if you look in that direction, you'll be forgiven for thinking there is light coming up behind that building. And there is, and I have reason to believe we need to go there. I don't know why, but every time I come to try and find Temple Church, I can never find it, and I always have to rely on Google Maps. And then I get lost trying to find it. But we got here. It's really cool because it's a church, fully structured. It's a full church without a roof. That was just me, but ruins lit up always look so pretty to me. But see what I mean? It has no roof. It has everything else, but no roof. this from the outside, but someone just mentioned this, and now I can't help but not notice it. This is a very wonky tower. It's almost like it could come crashing down at any one time. And here we are at the very last one. Bristol is always a good idea. St Valentine Bridge. I would say that one is probably not the best one to end with. There are a lot more impressive ones. And I guess if you come from Temple Meads, that would be the first one you see. There were some incredible ones though. The one in St Stephen's Church, amazing, incredible, come to us to see that. The one on Finzel's Reach or by the Two-Handed Giant, amazing. There's a lot of projector ones here, and there's lots of interactive ones, like blow-up ones that you can walk through and take Instagram photos, and just generally interactive and have just a lot of fun. Okay, it takes about 2 hours 15 minutes to get around the whole thing if you're casually going around taking occasional photos, and I highly recommend it. I've been here before and I've got a video on the channel, so if you want to see that, I'll leave that video here and I'll see you there.